But it's clear the current situation requires immediate action to stop the Delta variant from spreading further. That's why, moving forward for the immediate future, masks will be required in all indoor public settings, effective this Friday, August 13th.
Our well-known institutions in Idaho, they're not the only ones back to masks. Starting Friday, our neighbors to the west will have to wear masks indoors because of the surge in COVID cases and hospitalizations there. And that includes businesses, grocery stores, gyms, entertainment venues. Governor Brown, in announcing it this afternoon, also issued a warning saying the state's healthcare system could be overwhelmed if things continue this way. At first, Governor Brown, she left it up to local control whether or not to implement a mask mandate in their area. She'd asked local officials to do that, to implement their own mask mandates, but almost none did. So as you heard, beginning Friday, everyone over the age of 5 is going to be required to wear a mask while indoors. Why now? Well, Oregon set a record for the number of daily cases yesterday, COVID cases, positive cases, as well as hospitalizations and people in the ICU. Back on July 1st, Oregon recorded 170 COVID cases across the state. 170, that's it. Yesterday, more than 2,300 cases were reported. And that's been happening closer to the 208. As of last week, Malheur County, Oregon's second largest county by size, but not by population, and you can see there right next to Idaho, has had the second highest case numbers per 100,000 people, and Malheur County also has one of the lowest vaccination rates in the entire state of Oregon. Currently, they also have a 18.9% positivity rate with their COVID tests. Baker County, just a little further north there, also along the Idaho border, a 29.3 positivity rate. As we mentioned before, the World Health Organization, the WHO that is, suggests that threshold of that percent positivity, they want it right around 5%. That's an indicator that the spread of the virus has slowed to a manageable level. And we came pretty close to hitting record COVID numbers in Idaho yesterday. More than 750 confirmed and probable cases just that one day. We haven't seen numbers like that since mid-January. Back then, it would have been enough to send us back into stage 2 of Idaho's reopening plan, meaning limiting those gatherings to 10 people or fewer. Governor Little will be at Nampa High School tomorrow for a press conference where he is expected to talk about the status of COVID-19 here in Idaho. We don't know, though, no word on what, if anything, he's expected to announce. Again, if he's expected to announce anything when it comes to COVID restrictions here in Idaho. We're going to be streaming that press conference at ktvb.com, and it begins at 1 o'clock.